What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan your Android phone or your Samsung Galaxy phone for malware in apps, right? So what you want to do a swipe up from your phone and open up the settings here, and then you want to scroll all the way down to security and privacy. From here, your phone will do a quick scan, guys, to show you if everything is okay with your security settings, right? Now, if you're able to see app security as an exclamation there, it could be that you need to do a scan because your phone is not fully scanned for malicious apps, right? So you want to tap on app security there, and then from here, you want to click on app protection. From here, guys, you will see the scan phone, and once you tap on that, your phone will go through and scan all of your application for anything malicious. And that's all you need to do. Now, it will take a moment. As you can see, my phone is currently doing the scan there, but you want to allow this to do a full scan on all of your application. As you can see how fast it is, it runs through to 22%. So you just need to be patient and allow your phone to do the scan. Now, as you can see, we approach 100% and my phone was scanned and there was no threat. And that's all there is to it, guys. Just simply go ahead and allow your phone to do the scan. Once it is done, then you will be able to fix that problem and your phone will no longer have any issues with malicious. Now, if there was an issue, you'll be notified and you can go ahead and remove those applications that are showing within the result. But that's all there is to it. Guys, if you find value within this video, go ahead, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.